our president give a present for us. Can I show to you? Ta-da! Let's see what's inside this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh. Not heavy. What is this?
It's tea. Okay, just put it aside.
Tea?
Yeah. Let's see what else we have.
Tea. Whoa!
Do you know what that is?
No?
Sweets, candies. Put that box down. It's like treasure box. You want to open it?
Uh-huh.
Open it. Do you know how to open it? Yeah, sure.
How did I?
Wow! So many candies. Okay, let's see what else do you have.
Okay.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Okay. What else do you have?
Is this a shirt?
Shirt, yeah. Yeah, that's a shirt. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's a tablet.
Tablet?
Yeah?
What kind of?
The one you can play games, you can watch movies and all.
How you should open it?
Yeah, you can open it. You just open it. Yeah, sure. All right. Wow.
Whoa.
Open it.
Is this for me?
Yeah, that's for you.
Вау! Всегда мечтала такой планшет купить.
Всегда мечтал о планшете?
Да.
Ладно, поставь. Теперь посмотрим, что еще есть в сумке.
Что-то, ух ты, большой книжка.
Большая книга. О,
Ой.
а знаешь, это новая книга нашего президента. Супер-дупер.
А теперь еще вещь.
What
А
is
что
that?
это?
It's a blanket sheet. If you have a big bed, you can use it. And what else do you have?
Последний.
Yeah, this is for mommy.
И все, закончилось вещи.
And what is this?
Carpet
Who is it for?
for us, but we already have that